So let's get started with that course, but first I want to explain you how you can get the most out of this course. Obviously, you watch the videos and I highly recommend that you also code along. Write the code yourself. This is how you learn the most. Additionally, check my source code if you're encountering issues. You can find it attached to the end of each module and also to a lot of lectures throughout the module. And I do provide this source code because sometimes it's just a tiny typo. And if you then run my source code and compare it to yours, you will be able to find out what's wrong in your code and get a deeper understanding of why that went wrong. Also, consider the many hints and things I will teach you in the debugging section of this course. There I will teach you how to handle React errors and how to react to them and fix them. Definitely something you have to know how to do, so use that knowledge you gain there to fix any issues you encounter. Now, if you're stuck and you can't find the error, ask in the Q&A section. My team and I are more than happy to help you there. But that's important. Don't just ask there, also answer there. I'm not saying this because I don't want to answer your questions. I will. But if you answer, you'll learn way more than if you ask. Asking is so simple, but answering is hard, and you can't go wrong there. Even if your answer is wrong, no one's going to kill you. Instead, you're going to learn if people correct you. And answering forces you to think about a problem and find a solution. If you really want to become a great React developer, you have to solve problems. And answering in the Q&A section is a good way of practicing just that. And finally, practice, practice, practice. It's as easy as that. Even after you finish this course, you gotta practice the things you learned. You have to build your own demo projects, set your own challenges, do the exercises from this course, alter the code you learn in this course, practice React. If you follow these steps and follow through this entire course, you'll be an awesome React developer and you'll be able to apply for jobs, become a React freelancer, whatever you want. With that, let's dive into React and learn how it works.